am. Drift. What are you doing? You're in the tubby. There's a shark. Look out. I'm going to use that joke on every video. Drift.
You're okay.
Okay, maybe you can get her to walk around a little bit.
Come on, just come.
It's kind of freezing. Come with me,
Okay, I do. Good girl. Oh, you got it.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl, Drift.
Aww. Get it, Drift. Get it.
Good.
Good. Good girl.
Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh, drip it for her. You see things that things. Oh, look at her. It's deep down there. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Well, like Mom says, yeah. Look at her doing. She did a flip turn. Did you see that? Yeah, you're so good. Drift, that was great.
Yeah.
You're so good, honey.
I like it.
The water.
There's no water in here.
Throw it. No.
Getting water in there.
Let's see if she can deal with that.
Hi, Drift.
Oh, those big ears, those big Dumbo ears hold a lot of water.
Drift, you want out with that dog. Are you ready to get out?
Drift, let me see a close-up. Drift, Drift, Drift. Tubby time. 8 weeks old. 9 weeks old. I'm still liking it. Don't like those ears wet, though. Kevin,
What?
come look at this.
What?
Come here.